Okay, here we go, issue 50 now. This is halfway through the build, so exciting times. On this one, we're just going to be focusing on producing the wheel, but I will look at the dome panel because I want to repaint that, so we'll do that as well in this issue, even though it's not covered in the magazine. Right, here we go. Here's the parts. So, a pair of scissors on these. Demolition. So in this magazine we get three parts to the wheel, one of which is already there. Sets of screws and this with some stickers in there ready for painting in a bit. So let's crack on. I'll get the screws open and then we'll start putting this together. Right, the magazine asks us to lay the pieces out. Difficult to see in the magazine, but that part, and the last part. So assuming this goes in this side. We've done this before, so might go in the other way. Let's have a look. Let's go the other way. Yep, so that's the first way, and then this will just line up. He says. Yep, so there you go. And then we get 4 black screws, and then we screw that together. Enough black screws are supplied in this magazine, which is always helpful. Saves hunting through your screws and seeing which ones fit, as they don't list them. But I do believe in the Japanese version of this build they do. So how is everybody else's builds getting on? I see there's been a few problems with the test circuit boards. one of my friends, he's done that section, had no problems with, but I think a few people have, so I'm looking forward to tackling that and seeing how that goes. But yeah, halfway through the build. It's I'm enjoying it, but some of the weeks you just feel like you could be doing more. There doesn't seem a lot to be doing in each issue. Anyway, that's the last screw going in. Oops, hang on a sec. I've just ordered a new mic to improve the quality of the sound, so hopefully that should be here any day now. So we have it, that's the wheel, and that's all there is to do in this issue. But we're not finished here yet, because we're going to have a go getting this painted up and masked first. And keep those strips to one side. And there you go, metal plate. So what I'm going to use is Tamiya, and they're good quality masking tape. So mask off, just use this tape and get your edges as straight as possible. Obviously, well, they will be straight, but just covering the silver. And the masking tape I'm using is the smaller of the size. I'm not sure what the actual size is, but and then we're just going to give this maybe 1-2 light coats just to cover it up. That's it. I'll just go around this with a cocktail stick and check that I've got right up to the edge. It's difficult to do it with the camera right in the way. I'll be right back. Right, here we go. Just a quick couple of light coats, and that should do. So we'll leave that 15 minutes and be right back. Okay, so that's had 15 minutes to cure, and then we'll just do another light coat, and that should be us. And that's it. That can cure for as long as it needs to now. And that's the end of this issue, so please leave some comments and subscribe.